Hi, I'm Carey Danen, and I am the City Clerk here in De Pere. Today we are conducting the public test of our voting equipment, and we do that before every election. We test the ballot tabulators to make sure that they are programmed correctly and counting the votes properly before the election happens. So we have 7 tabulator machines, and we create a deck of test ballots for each one of the reporting units. We assign a different number of votes to every candidate on the ballot to make sure that they're being assigned correctly, and each candidate gets the proper number of votes depending on how those ballots were cast. Before the public test, we get the encrypted memory sticks with the election data on it that we get from the county. And so the first step is to basically qualify or prepare each machine by making sure that the previous election has been cleared off of it, and then we use that encrypted memory stick to load the current election onto the machine. Once that has been done, then we run those test ballots through the machine, make sure that the machine has counted the proper number of ballots, and then we close the polls as we would on election day and run the results tapes. So those result tapes then are compared to the spreadsheet that we created with our test deck to confirm that all of the votes were attributed correctly. Once that has been confirmed, then we run another process to clear those vote totals off the machine from our test, because we want to make sure on election morning that count is set back to 0. Once that has been done, we power down the machine, and then we lock the cabinet on the machine where that encrypted memory stick is. We place a tamper evidence seal over that compartment, and that has a unique ID number. That information is given to our chief inspectors on the morning of the election so that they can verify that that seal is the same seal that I applied to it at the end of public test and that it hasn't been tampered with. One other important thing to know about our ballot tabulator machines is that they are not connected to the internet. There's no way that information can be downloaded off of them via public access or the internet or anything like that. At the end of the election night, those encrypted memory sticks are brought back to City Hall, and there's a checks and balances there because 2 poll workers work together to transport those back to us. They are sealed into a security bag with another tamper evidence seal so that we can bring all of those election results to the county, and then they are the ones that broadcast those.